It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at a retail blaster of 2021-22 Upper Deck Series 2 hockey. We can get Young Guns. Can get one or two in this box. Your odds of Young Guns are 1 and 4. With 6 packs per box, you're only really guaranteed one. But maybe we'll get lucky and pull 2. We're, of course, looking for Moritz Seider or Lucas Raymond in here. These blasters recently picked up on sale for $6, which you absolutely cannot beat that price. $6 blaster. It's hard not to buy them all at that price. So let's just get right into it. We've got Alec Martinez, Calvin DeHaan, Andrei Svechnikov, Zach Kassian, Brian Rust, Juuso Valimaki, Boone Jenner, and Cam Talbot. That is a base pack, ladies and gentlemen. Pack number 2. Sam Steele, Dante Fabro, Owen Tippett, Bowen Byram, and we've got a Canvas Young Guns. Well, that's nice to see. Out of a blaster of Jake Lecision from the Golden Knights. Look at that. That's a pretty big hit for a blaster. Liking that. Trent Frederick, Brandon Hagel, and Nick Suzuki. So that pretty much makes the $6 I spent worth it. And I think that pretty much guarantees we'll have 2 Young Guns at least out of here if we include that one. Ilya Lyubushkin, Chris Drager, Rocco Grimaldi, and we've got Frederick Allard. So our other Young Gun. Oh, and hide behind him is Teddy Hockey, Mikhail Backlund, Sam Bennett, and JVR. Henry Yokiharu, Dustin Brown, Andrew Mangiapane, Travis Sanheim, The Nuge, Jonathan Drouin, Ryan Lindgren, and Colton Sissons. Base pack there. Christian Fisher, Philip Hedel, Scott Lawton, TJ Oshie. Looks like we have an Opeachy update. Oh, that's a good one to hit. Moritz Seider. Not his Young Gun, but still his Opeachy Marquee rookie update. We'll definitely take that. Jamie Benn, Jacob Markstrom, and Pavel Zacha. Final pack. Jake Muzzin, Jarrett Anderson-Dolan, Alex Pietrangelo. Looks like we got a Dazzler of Jack Roslovic for Columbus. Dylan Larkin, Tyson Jost, Braden Point, and Rupe Hintz. So short one today, but that blaster was definitely worth every penny. That was 21-22 Upper Deck Series 2 hockey. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.